Today, I'm challenging myself to create the ultimate iron-rich juice that will supercharge my energy levels. Let's see if I can pull it off. Iron-rich juices are a game changer when it comes to boosting energy levels. Not only do they provide a much-needed pick-me-up, but they're also packed with nutrients that can help support overall health and well-being. So, what makes iron so important, and how can we harness its energy-boosting powers through diet? Stay tuned to find out. Fatigue, brain fog, and exhaustion, these are just a few of the symptoms of low energy, which affects millions of people worldwide. But what if I told you that the culprit behind these symptoms might not be a lack of sleep or a busy lifestyle, but rather an iron deficiency? It's staggering to think that something as simple as the food we eat could be holding us back from feeling our absolute best. And yet, it's a common issue that can be easily addressed through dietary changes. So, let's dive into the world of iron-rich foods and see how we can incorporate them into our daily lives. Low iron levels can lead to a range of problems, from pale skin to brittle hair, and even anxiety and depression. The good news is that iron-rich foods can help to alleviate these symptoms, replenishing our stores and giving us the energy boost we so desperately need. But which foods are the richest in iron, and how can we combine them to create the ultimate energy-boosting juice? When it comes to iron-rich ingredients, there are a few that stand out from the crowd. Spinach, with its vibrant green color, is packed with iron, as well as vitamins A and K. Beets, with their deep red hue, are rich in nitrates, which help to increase blood flow and oxygenation. And then there's pomegranate, with its juicy arils bursting with antioxidants and iron-boosting properties. Combine these ingredients, and you've got a potent elixir that's guaranteed to supercharge your energy levels. Beets, with their sweet, earthy flavor, add a depth to the juice that's hard to beat. Meanwhile, the pomegranate arils provide a burst of sweetness, balancing out the earthiness of the beets. And let's not forget the spinach, which adds a silky texture to the juice, while providing a boost of iron and vitamins. Every sip of this juice is like a shot of energy and vitality, refreshing and revitalizing your body and mind. Now, it's time to make the juice. The first step is to wash and chop your ingredients, making sure they're clean and ready to go. Next, add them to your juicer, and watch as the vibrant colors and textures combine to create a stunning drink. The beets will turn your juice a deep red, while the spinach will add a hint of green. And the pomegranate arils? They'll add a burst of sweetness and vibrancy to every sip. As I pour the juice into a glass, I can't help but feel a sense of excitement and anticipation. The colors are so vivid, the texture so tantalizing, that I just know this juice is going to be something special. And when I take a sip, wow! The flavors explode on my tongue, a perfect balance of sweet and earthy, with just the right amount of tanginess from the pomegranate. So, what are the benefits of this incredible iron-rich juice? Not only will it provide a much-needed energy boost, but it'll also support overall health and well-being, from immune function to brain function. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to make, using just a few simple ingredients that you might already have in your fridge. Incorporating this juice into your daily routine could be the key to unlocking your full energy potential. So, I encourage you to give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it makes you feel. Don't forget to check out my other health-related videos, where I share more recipes and tips for boosting your energy levels and supporting overall health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.